Very small paperwork mistake could have very big consequences. The state's highest court has now agreed to decide if some powerful lawmakers, including the Senate president, can run for re-election. News 13's Katie Kim is in the Newsplex.
Dig, those lawmakers clearly broke the rules by not writing their district numbers on the petitions they used to collect signatures to get on the ballot. Now their challengers are taking them to court to get them off the ballot. Some lawmakers have become lawbreakers, according to Mora County State Rep. Tomas Garcia.
We're asking everyone across the state to comply with this, and there's a handful that failed to do so.
Some of those same legislators helped pass a law last year that requires all candidates seeking office to list their political districts on their petitions when they're collecting voter signatures. It may be a simple number, but Garcia says it's to make sure voters actually know what they're signing and to keep politicians from venturing outside their districts.
The candidate would likely be able to gather petition signatures from anywhere.
But last month, Garcia alerted the Secretary of State's office that his Democratic opponent in the Senate primary, incumbent Pete Campos, did not include his district number on his petitions. Neither did Senate President Tim Jennings of Roswell and Republican Senator Sue Wilson Bedford from the East Mountains. 4 other lawmakers running for re-election forgot too. But the Secretary of State said it was okay. Challengers like Representative Garcia don't agree, and now they're suing.
The law was clear under the statute that we passed.
I don't think we broke the law at all.
Senator Jennings says the law is confusing.
There is not a space on that for the district number on that form, and there should be, and it's required.
And even though almost every other candidate figured it out, Jennings says he can't see the court throwing out all his signatures. Garcia says the rules are rules.
The people that get elected are down there passing laws that affect 2 million New Mexicans, and we need to have that attention to detail at all times. If not, then we start being ineffective as lawmakers.
The Supreme Court will hear arguments and make a decision on Tuesday. Back to you.
All right, Katie, here's another thing about this. Representative Garcia says the Supreme Court heard a similar case 2 years ago, that one involving a judicial candidate. And in that case, the court said candidates should include the district number on their ballot petitions. Last year, the legislature then passed the requirement specifying that the district number be